this was a launch.
Nice.
Whether it's a soft launch or a hard launch, that's for the public to determine. But
Yes, sir. How's it, my bro? Good, good. Okay, I see you just follow the signs, eh? It's about to go down, my bro. I'm gonna need my phone, my G. I think I have it. Everyone is heavy already.
Is this your first Swanson song?
Yeah, definitely, man. I've never actually heard this thing before. I was like, what do you mean?
So what do you expect? What's your mindset?
My mindset is blue with fitness. It's like a collaboration of blue and fitness. So yeah, we're here, we're doing that, and we're gonna do the most because wherever we are, we'll make sure we kill. I mean, come on. You can dance as well. Please, because me, I'm actually bad. Like, let's say left, I'm going right. But anyway, let's see how it's gonna go. I'm Tom, by the way, so I think this is a show. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hopefully you guys can dance because I'm bad, so I need people who can dance next to me. And so
we can exercise, but we can't dance.
Same. I mean, I didn't see any weights, no dumbbells, no nothing. I'm like, whoa, come on, guys. I mean, we just did a warm up, bro, of which that was very intense, bro. If you ask me, me, but I mean, we're here for that apparently. We're gonna sweat, and the sound is doing well. How are you feeling so far? How you feeling? Bro?
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I like the high kicks. I like that.
Oh wait, it's about to go down, boy. Oh wait.
Oh yes, sweet, it's beyond comfort. One more time, we are having Msijo, as we know. We are here kicking it in this beautiful place, sweet and sound, Maji. You were sweating and having all the entertainment and giving it to it. So Msijo, a quick one, how was the experience?
No, you can tell. Amazing, bro. I don't want to lie, because unfortunately I was like, I'm not sure what's going to happen. You get me, man? I was like, are we going to be dancing? Is it fitness? What's happening, bro? I didn't got here, bro. Like, funny enough, I saw from the warm-up that this thing is actually going to go crazy. We're just dancing up and down and up and down. But everything just went so... everything went so nice, my bro, because I saw a lot of faces, first of all, of which that made me feel at home. And I saw the energy. Everyone was just like happy to be here, if I can put it that way. Hopefully they were. So that actually boosted my mood. I was like, okay, cool. Let's go crazy. Let's leave alone the fact that I'm not a good dancer. I'm a fitness bro. I saw moves, bro. I was so surprised. Like, actually, I can dance, my dog. You saw me. I was sweating. You want to see a lot, bro. I was great. I'm gonna get down and all that. But I mean, it was so amazing. I'm so happy that Beyond Comfort came here. Obviously, we came. We do what we always do. We were Beyond Comfort. Comfort, we were sweating, bro, more than anyone. And then we heard the sound more than anyone because everything is above average. But yeah, man, it was amazing, very fun, bro.
Last question, Machi, before we part ways. I want to know what's your takeout as you just came here and Ceci invited you to come over this place. I want to know what are you taking out of this beautiful experience, because I can see from your face you really enjoyed yourself.
Yeah, bro, I had so much fun, bro. I don't want to lie.
What's your takeout, Michi?
My takeaway is that first of all, this thing is different. Like I've never been in a space where like there's so many creators like this having fun. It's more like a groove, but in a fitness way. So my takeaway was being so creative in a way that you make a party for fitness creators. That's how I see. This is just like a party. Let's have fun. Let's mingle. If you're single, you get someone. Me, I was dancing with 2 mummies, boy. 2 mummies left and right, my boy. So I mean, that was just amazing for me. And obviously, man, it's just a good time to socialize, know each other with people, because we're all about collaborating.
Yeah.
So we got to get like some few contacts. So you might see like a lot of faces that you saw here today on our page, because Beyond Comfort is about like also incorporating other people with me. So I don't know, maybe I gave you 5 takeaways already because I just had a lot of fun.
This guy can talk.
Me, I should go all day long, man.
Thank you so much, man. That's roughly about it. We're wrapping it. Beyond Comfort. Peace out.
Oh, well, before we stop, bro, we're gonna need to talk to actually with her, bro, and just. Yeah, I'm like, excuse my bro. Shout out, my bro. How are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Congratulations, that was fire. That was amazing. I mean, I won't ask a lot.
Yeah.
Basically, like, just what's the takeaway and what do you have to say to the people, man?
Yeah.
You feel me?
My takeaway is gonna be South Africans are hungry for movement.
Yeah.
Right? We want to move. We want to be healthy. We want the spaces to be created for that. And unfortunately, it's not easy. It's not cheap.
Yeah, for sure.
But at the same time, we try. We keep pushing until the right brands align, until the right people get behind us and support us. This was the launch.
Nice.
Whether it's a soft launch or a hard launch, that's for the public to determine. But for me, it felt like it's just the beginning. However this grows, like I said, I had one of my closest friends, Serena, on stage because I don't believe that this is for me or that I can even contain it. There are other people that will come on that stage, and I need you guys to hype them up just as much, to love on them just as much, from city to city, from Durban to Joburg to Cape Town to Nairobi to wherever, you know, to Australia, to Chicago, for goodness sake, you know? So I really, really want to say, for me, I'm humbled and honored to be trusted with something that I myself am still exploring. I've never been here before. I've never seen the side of myself before. I'm walking it out, and it's just faith and not sight, because I can't tell you that, I can't put my finger and say this is how it'll look, but I can promise you I'll always do my best.
Yeah, I feel like that's enough, to be honest. Thank you so much, man, for this. This was a great experience.
Cameraman, we love you.
We love you.
Cheese.
No.